Okay, this is going to be a cold start. I already filled it up with gas and oil. I adjusted the chain also, and now this is going to be a cold start. You pull this out for the choke. All right, put your foot here, and we'll see what happens. It's always good when you turn it on. The switch was off. Okay, so right there, the last one I cut was cedar. This was maple. And when I was trying to start it, I had the switch off. There's a switch here for the on and off. I had it on the off. So, starts good. It's a great saw. For $100, you can't beat it. And I would definitely buy another one. Thank you.